Well, hello ladies. We're going to continue on my acrylic powders. We're going to be doing a part 2 now. I'm going to red color. You already know how red looks like, but very pretty. Okay, so we're going to get just a little bit of red, and there you go. Very bright red. Wow. I like this red. Very, very bright red. Okay, now if I could close it, there you go. That's the color red right there. Okay, now we're gonna go with this color right here. And I'm gonna open. I bet you this one's gonna come out really pretty. I can already see it. I have to pour a little bit more of my liquid. Okay, let's continue. This one, it's this blue right here. Very pretty. Like I said, I like this one. Very pretty. Actually, that one didn't stick on there very good, so I'm going to try this again. Try it again. And there's this one. Very pretty blue. Okay. Next one is this pretty green one. Okay. I think this one's going to be bright green. Okay. Okay, now we're going to get just a real little bit bright green, just as I said. Very pretty color. And we'll get just a little bit more, just to fill it in. There we go. And then we cover it up. That's the green. Okay. Now I'm going to show you this one. This one's a weird blue, but as you know, all the weird colors come out to be pretty, so let's see how this one comes out. Okay, there's that one. Ooh, this one's pretty. I'm glad I got this one. I like this one. Okay, there's this one right here. Okay, now I got one more to show you, which is this one right here. This one's supposed to be a cover beige. So we're gonna try it and we're gonna test it on this cover here. And this one has shimmer to it, so it's gonna look prettier with the shimmer in it. Okay. Let's take a little bit. Very pretty beige, look at that. And we're going to just place it right here. Take a bit more. Wow, this is a pretty color. Okay, so this one's going to be the last one I'm going to show you. Those are all of them that I've bought. If I could close it. This thing's not closing the way I want it to. Ah, there you go. Okay. There's the beige right there. Okay. So, those are all of my colors. I'm going to show you all the colors I have. I don't know if you could see them. I have my camera the other way, but those are all the colors I have. Okay. So until then, those are all my colors, lady. Thank you so much for watching, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you in the next video.